Are there any foods that whiten your skin? Yes, there are foods that can help lighten the skin. Foods that can lighten the skin can be broadly categorized into two types. Firstly, there are foods that inhibit the production of melanin. Melanin is the pigment that determines skin color, and increased exposure to ultraviolet radiation can stimulate its production, resulting in darker skin. Consuming foods that inhibit melanin production can help lighten the skin tone. Foods that inhibit melanin production include foods rich in vitamin C. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that inhibits the production of melanin. Foods rich in vitamin C include lemons, strawberries, oranges, kiwis, and broccoli. Foods rich in alpha-lipoic acid. Alpha-lipoic acid is a type of antioxidant that inhibits melanin production and prevents skin aging. Foods rich in alpha-lipoic acid include almonds, walnuts, and other nuts. Foods rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants help remove free radicals that can damage cells. Free radicals can induce skin aging and pigmentation. Consuming foods rich in antioxidants like green tea, blueberries, tomatoes, and turmeric can enhance skin health and lighten the skin tone. Secondly, there are foods that promote skin regeneration. When the skin is damaged, increased melanin production can lead to pigmentation. Consuming foods that promote skin regeneration can prevent pigmentation and lighten the skin tone. These foods include protein-rich foods. Protein is essential for the regeneration of skin cells. Protein-rich foods include meat, fish, eggs, and tofu. Foods rich in collagen. Collagen plays a crucial role in maintaining skin elasticity. Foods rich in collagen include chicken, pork, bone broth, and seaweed. Foods rich in vitamin A, E, K. These vitamins promote skin regeneration and help prevent pigmentation. Foods rich in these vitamins include carrots, spinach, avocados, and green vegetables. However, solely relying on food to significantly lighten the skin might be challenging. It's important to combine a consistent sunscreen routine and maintain a healthy lifestyle for optimal skin health. Are there any foods that darken your skin? The information about foods that darken the skin is explained as follows. Yes, there are foods that can darken the skin. Foods that contribute to darkening the skin can be broadly categorized into two types. Firstly, there are foods that stimulate the production of melanin. Melanin is the pigment that determines skin color, and exposure to ultraviolet radiation increases its production, resulting in darker skin. Consuming foods that stimulate melanin production can lead to darker skin tones. Foods that stimulate melanin production include foods rich in vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 promotes melanin production. Foods rich in vitamin B12 include meat, fish, eggs, and dairy products. Iron-rich foods. Iron is an essential nutrient for melanin production. Iron-rich foods include meat, fish, green vegetables, and nuts. Foods rich in carotenoids. Carotenoids stimulate melanin production. Foods rich in carotenoids include carrots, pumpkins, sweet potatoes, and tomatoes. Secondly, there are foods that hinder skin regeneration. When the skin is damaged, increased melanin production can lead to pigmentation. Consuming foods that interfere with skin regeneration can induce pigmentation and darken the skin tone. Foods that hinder skin regeneration include high-sugar foods. Sugar can accelerate skin aging and induce pigmentation. High-sugar foods include sugar, cakes, cookies, and carbonated drinks. Alcohol. Alcohol hampers skin cell regeneration and can stimulate melanin production. Smoking causes damage to skin cells and can stimulate melanin production. However, solely relying on food to significantly darken the skin might be challenging. Consistent exposure to ultraviolet rays and unhealthy lifestyle habits are also necessary factors to darken the skin tone.